Okay, for 28, they want us to solve, and then it says uncheck your solutions. You should check all the time, especially on a test, right? So A, I have negative 3 plus 2x equals negative x plus 6. I will add 3 to both sides, right? Again, properties of equality. So in this case, I get 2x, right, equals negative x plus 9. And then I'll add x to both sides, add 1x, right, to both sides. 2x plus 1x is 3x equals 9. And I'll divide both sides by 3. And I'll get x equals 3. Now to check this, what would we do? We would go to the original equation, negative 3 plus 2x equals negative x plus 6. And we would substitute in a 3 for x, right? Negative 3 plus 6. So on the left, I have negative 3 plus 6 equals negative 3 plus 6. You could already see that that works, right? But negative 3 plus 6 is 3 equals 3. And it works because the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. I'll leave the checks for you for the future ones, but you can see what a check means. So let's do B. I'll do B down here. 5 minus 3x equals x plus 1. I'm going to, let's see, I'll subtract 1 from both sides. And I get 4 minus 3x equals x, because these cancel. Then I'll add 3x to both sides. And I'll get 4 equals 4x, and then I'll divide both sides by 4 and get 1 equals x, but I'll never leave my answer that way. I'll rearrange it and put the variable on the left, x equals 1. Okay, let's do C. I can come over here, right, and do C. Negative 2x equals 4x plus 9. I'll subtract 4x from both sides. And I get negative 6x equals 9. And I'll divide both sides by negative 6. And I'll get x equals negative 9 sixths. But 9 sixths is not reduced. They share a common factor of 3, right? So it's x equals negative 3 halves, right? How many times does 3 go into each of those, right? So that's C. And for D, I could do D here. I have 4x plus 3 equals x, right? I'll subtract 3 from both sides, right? I get 4x equals x minus 3. I'll subtract x from both sides. 3x equals negative 3. And divide both sides by 3. And we get x equals negative 1. Negative 3 divided by 3 is negative 1.